Hey y'all, it's Shelly. And when you have more than 5 vehicles like we do around our house, then one of them is bound to have a problem all the time. So we got this diagnostic scanner from VEVOR, VEVOR. I was lucky enough to get it for free in exchange for my honest and unbiased review. So when we got it, we quickly took it out of the box and we made sure everything was there, which it was. And also had this really nice bag that you can put everything in and take it with you. So let me hand it over to my husband and he will explain how it works.
All right, folks, what we got here is the car diagnostic scanner, and I can tell you for a fact that this one is going to throw some codes. My son has found a way to do modifications to his engine, and he's got some codes. So just to show you what's going on, I'm going to turn the ignition on. You can see the screen, pretty self-explanatory. You can check the battery, you can check a lot of things. So let's go to diagnose, and we'll hit the OK button. It's going to check your system to make sure it's okay, to make sure it's got an OBD2 port. And then it's going to show your codes, and it'll show you what the DTC is. Okay, so you look here, it reads them, and it tells you that you have something wrong with your heater. Then it tells you something's wrong with sensor 2. Then it tells you something's wrong with bank 2, sensor 2. The other thing is you can see my thumb, I'm scrolling down, so I can scroll down. I can get the pending DTCs. I can get out of that. I can go to the permanent DTCs. It reads those. You can scroll over to the 2 of 4. Again, it talks about your circuit banks. Hit escape. You could record it if you want. I'm going to escape. I could erase the codes if I wanted to, but I know they're still there, so I'm not going to. You can see a lot of different things. Check the oxygen sensor. Check your onboard, your evap. A lot of different things. It's real nice. Plug it in, pull it out, it turns it off. Very convenient. Has a nice carrying case for it, and pretty good deal.